How to fix DXGI or device removed error. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if you have DXGI error or device removed error in your laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, click on the search icon and in the search bar search for Registry Editor, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. So once you're on your registry editor, now from this folders here, navigate to the HK local machine and expand this folder. Under HK local machine, again expand the system folder. Now under system, you have to expand CurrentControlSet. Here again, go to control. Now under control, you have to find the graphics driver. So simply press G in your keyboard and that's gonna take you to the graphics driver folders. Click on this folders, and if you navigate on your right hand side here, you can find some of the files. Now here, right click on the empty space, click on new, and here you have to select this DWORD 32-bit value. Now you have to name it as I have typed here, that is TdrLevel with the T capital and L capital. So you have to name this file same as I have typed here, that is TdrLevel, then press enter. Now again click on this file here. Now you have to set the value. Here you have to set the value data to 0 and then click on OK. Now once you have done this, you have to restart your PC and your problem will be solved. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.